Hey everybody, I'm attorney Mike Contant. A question that comes up from time to time is whether the police can stop my car based solely upon an anonymous tip. And the short answer to that question is no. And that's because you have certain rights to privacy guaranteed by both the Massachusetts as well as the United States constitutions. One of those rights is the right against unreasonable searches and seizures. Whenever the police stop you, whether it's on foot or in your car, that's considered a seizure. In order to do so, they have to have a certain level of information. And that level of information is they have what they call reasonable suspicion that you either are committing, have committed, or are about to commit a crime. Now, or in the case of your car, they can also stop you if they see you committed a traffic violation, like speeding or changing lanes without using your directional or blowing a stop sign. That's some of the information they would need in order to stop you. Now, an anonymous tip all by itself is not enough to provide that reasonable suspicion. The reason for that is because anonymous tips are considered unreliable. Basically, anybody who's anonymous can make up a story about anyone else. An anonymous person can call up the police station and say, hey, I'm not giving my name, I'm not giving my phone number, I don't want to be identified, I'm calling from a blocked number, and say that I just saw a white male who I know, and he is in this car. It's a green Ford Mustang. It has got plate number XYZ123. It's traveling up Route 95 North, and it has drugs in the trunk. And that story can be completely made up. And because the person is anonymous, there's no way to check the validity of that story. Now, in the case like this, if the police act on that tip and go ahead and they search that car, stop that car, and then ultimately search the car, anything they find, whether it be gun or drugs or anything else, would not be admissible. Now, that doesn't mean the police can't do anything with that tip. Doesn't mean they have to ignore it because it's anonymous. The police can do something. They can go find the car, and if the car happens to be in the particular location and it meets that description, they could follow it and they could see if it does something wrong, such as a traffic violation or something else. If it does that, or they see some other evidence of criminal activity, then they may have enough, along with the anonymous tip, in order to conduct that stop of that car. But if all they're acting upon is the anonymous tip, it's simply not enough to stop that car. So if they stop that car and they search it, even if they ask the owner to say for permission to search it, the stop itself was illegal, so that permission is no good. And anything they find in that car cannot be used against the person in court. We'd file a motion with the judge, demonstrate that the only information they had was that anonymous tip. And if that's the case, the court will not allow the police to use whatever evidence they found in that car. So if you have any questions about your privacy rights within your vehicle or your home or anything else related to this, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email, and I'd be happy to speak with you about it.